Guys, I have something super exciting to share with you. Take a look at this MOKiN 13-in-1 docking station. I have a little dongle attached to this docking station, and then that dongle is connected to another dongle on the 100-inch TV, and then I have one cable that comes out of the docking station into my iPad Pro, and then voila, all of a sudden I have a second display that happens to be a 100-inch TV from Hisense. And then I'm able to treat this as if it's a second display. And just look at that level of productivity. And not to mention how nice it is to watch a show on that TV, all powered by the iPad. Woohoo! Let's go! MOKiN 13-in-1 docking station.